Okay, so this video is being recorded for figures in computer vision. So this is part of our course CS5330 pattern recognition in computer vision. So the figure we are going to talk about is Michael Black. And Michael Black served as a director of Emeritus Max Planck Institute. He's currently working as a VP of Digital Human Research at Epic Games. He has co-founded two companies, Body Labs and Mescapade. So the reason I picked him was because his career spans classical motion estimation to today's generative digital humans. So we are going to talk about his background, key research, industry impact, and current work. Okay, talking about his background, he has done his BSc with honors in computer science from University of British Columbia. He has done his master's in computer science from Stanford University, and he has done his doctoral degree from computer science from Yale University under P. Anandan. So their joint work later won an award 20 years after it was published. So his career timeline, spans from 1992 till present date. He started with postdoc on the University of Toronto. Then he worked at Xerox. Then he worked as in teaching at Brown University. Then he, from 2011 to 2026, he was the founder and director of Perceiving Systems Department, Max Planck Institute. From 2017 to 2021, he was a distinguished Amazon scholar. And in 2026, currently he joined VP as a VP at Digital Human Research Epic Games. So his career trajectory keeps moving between academia and industry. So speaking about his contributions, so his first contribution to the field was in robust optical flow. So optical flow means tracking pixel motions between video frames. The real footage has noise, occlusion, and brightness changes that broke classical methods. So in 1993, he with Anandan introduced robust statistics into the framework. This lets the algorithm ignore outlier pixels instead of being corrected by them. This became a standard building block, still referenced in modern deep learning papers. His research won the Helmholtz Prize in 2013, 20 years after his publication. Uh, his related works include Sintel 2012, an open source movie repurposed as a flow benchmark. Sintel is still widely used and won the Condrick Prize in 2022. His second contribution is an SMPL. So SMPL stands for Skinned Multi-Person Linear Model, which was published in 2015. This research learned a 3D body shape and pose model from thousands of real body scans, which is compact and differentiable and could plug into any pipeline. Before SMPL, every lab built its own ad hoc body model, and this gave a boilerplate for everyone to work with, which is comparable in impact to what ImageNet did for image recognition. His companion work, MOS 2014, captured body shape and motion from sparse mocap markers. Both SMPL and MOS won ACM SIGGRAPH Asia Test of Time Awards. Considering his impact, uh, you know, the donut chart here shows SMPL alone is about 15% of his total citations. That's across 190 total publications. Bar chart here breaks down his honors into three categories. Test of Time Awards 6, named career prizes 2, and National Academy memberships 3. That reflects his lasting impact. And most of these awards were won decades after their publication. So his third major contribution was in the field of building the full digital human. So SMPL sparked a whole family of related models: Mano models, fine hand articulation; Flame models, facial shape and expression; SMPL X unifies body, hands, and face into one model. Diagram shows these separate models converging into one whole person representation as SMPL X. Talking about from his experience from lab to industry. So in 2002, a police department asked him for help reconstructing a suspect's body from CCTV footage. That request sparked his interest in statistical body modeling. In 2013, he co-founded Body Labs. In 2017, Amazon acquired Body Labs for an estimated $70 million. In 2019, he co-founded his second company, Meshapade. In 2026, he joined Epic Games, bringing this work into the game and film production. Uh, Measuring his real-world impact, the first one is on virtual try-on in retail. So his models help in body shape estimation for fit and sizing, which helped in reducing returns. Then second was in film and game animation. SMPL-based rigs standardized motion capture pipelines. Third was in VR and AR. So personalized avatars from a phone scan and a few photos can generate the whole avatar for a person. Then next was in health, fitness, and robotics, motion and shape tracking for coaching apps and robots. The pipeline diagram here shows a few photos and scans go in, a body model processes them, and avatars and animations come out. So SNPL and its descendants are the industry standard backbone for digitized humans. Uh, Considering his awards and honors, so he's a six Test of Time awards. He has six Test of Time awards total, two from ACM SIGGRAPH Asia for Mosh and SMPL, two Condrick prizes, one Longut Higgins Prize, and one Helmholtz Prize. Uh, he has received Career Honors, PAMI Distinguished Researcher Award, also the 2025 Mark Everingham Prize Award to the whole SMPL team. Member of three national academies, US, Germany, and Sweden. Today, he's still building the digital human. He's currently working as a VP Digital Human Research at Epic Games since 2026, applying body modeling research to game and film production tools. This includes Unreal Engine and MetaHuman. Uh, so, from optical flow in the 1990s to SMPL to a startup acquired by Amazon, his career traces the arc of computer vision itself, from making machines see motion to making them understand and generate the human body. Thank you.